U.S. stocks recouped Monday declines, with the financial sector paving the way, lifting the S&P 500 closer to a record and the Dow Industrials in position to chalk up another one. Shares of Genworth Financial Incorporated GNW plus 6.51% jumped 6.7% after Barron's reported the recently reorganized life insurer and provider of mortgage securities could nearly double in the next year. The S&P 500 index SPX plus 0.28% added 3.98 points, or 0.3%, to 1,555.16, leaving it 10 points from its closing high of 1,565.15, hit in October 2007. After hitting an all-time high last week on a better-than-expected monthly jobs report, the Dow Industrials DJIA plus 0.26% on Monday rose 39.13 points, or 0.3%, to 14,436.20. The Dow is what gets all the news among the public, as it is more widely recognized, but for the insider and for technical reasons, it's more important for the S&P 500 to breach its previous closing high, said Mark Lucchini, chief investment strategist at Janney Montgomery Scott. As long as there is this widely held view that we're in for a correction, we're likely not going to have one, added Lucchini. Of expectations that the market was due for a pullback, given the more than 10% rise by the Dow so far this year. The Nasdaq Composite Comp plus 0.20% added half a point to 3,244.91. Advancers just outpaced decliners on the New York Stock Exchange, where 307 million shares traded as of 2:10 p.m. Eastern. Composite volume approached 1.9 billion. Intred halted trading, was the Irish online betting service saying it is looking into possible financial irregularities. See, all bets off as Intred shuts down. Like an Enterprises LPIEP plus 0.74% said it signed a confidentiality pact with Dell Incorporated. Dell plus 1.69%, less than a week after investor Carl Icahn joined those opposed to co-founder Michael Dell's plan to take the personal computer maker private. Shares of Dell gained 1.2%. See, Icahn's firm signs confidentiality pact with Dell. Exporting Goods Incorporated. DK's negative 10.25% fell 10% after the retailer projected profit below expectations. U.S. equities reversed course Monday as investors bought into a dip that came after disappointing data from the world's second-largest economy. With China's revival that we had seen coming out of last year, these figures collectively were a little bit of a setback, said Lucchini, referring to economic reports that had Chinese consumer prices rising, consumer spending slowing and industrial production slowing. The reports were likely impacted by China's Lunar New Year holiday, he added. See, China's inflation climbs, other indicators soften.